Achieving optimal health and fitness, a holistic approach. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining good health and fitness has become more important than ever. A sedentary lifestyle, poor dietary habits, and increased stress levels have led to a rise in chronic illnesses and obesity. However, by adopting a holistic approach that encompasses physical activity, proper nutrition, and mental well-being, individuals can achieve and sustain optimal health and fitness. 1. The power of physical activity. Regular exercise is the cornerstone of good health and fitness. Engaging in physical activity not only improves cardiovascular health, strength, and flexibility, but also releases endorphins that reduce stress and elevate mood. Find an exercise routine that suits your preferences. Whether it's running, swimming, yoga, or weight training, and make it a consistent part of your lifestyle. 2. Nourishing the body. A balanced and nutritious diet is vital for maintaining overall health. Focus on a variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit processed foods, sugary beverages, and excessive salt intake.